Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to integrate RSS feed to WhatsApp with Pabbly. So here I'm running my news channel, and now what I want is that as I'm keep updating my RSS feed with the latest updates, I automatically want to share my RSS feed update on WhatsApp with the customer who has signed up for my news channel. So I have all the detail of my customers in my Google Sheet, and for sending the message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between RSS by Pabbly, Google Sheets and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new feed in my RSS by Pabbly, then automatically I'm going to get all the detail of my customers from my Google Sheet, and I'm going to send that RSS feed update on WhatsApp by sharing a message on WhatsApp. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can integrate RSS feed with WhatsApp via Pabbly. So integrating RSS feeds to WhatsApp with Pabbly Connect can be incredibly useful for businesses and content creators who wants to keep their audience informed in real time. So imagine I run a news website or a blog, and I want to ensure that my most loyal readers are always up to date with the latest content. So sending updates via WhatsApp can be a highly effective way to engage your audience, and it's a platform many people check frequently throughout the day. So by using Pabbly Connect, I can automate the process of sending new RSS feed update directly to specific customers whose details are stored in Google Sheets. So this means that every time I publish a new content, it can automatically be shared with my selected audience via WhatsApp. So this will be ensuring they will never miss an update, and this automation not only saves time but also enhances the user experience by delivering content directly to a platform they regularly use. So in this video, I will show you how to set up this integration, enabling you to seamlessly share your latest content with your dedicated audience on WhatsApp, and all through the power of Pabbly Connect. So this will help you in maintaining high engagement levels, improve content delivery efficiency, and build stronger relationship with your audience. So here for sending message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, which is an official API platform of WhatsApp by Meta. And here I'm going to use the RSS feed or the RSS feed update of the news. So here what I need to do is I need to connect RSS feed, Google Sheet and WhatsApp Cloud API, and I'm going to do this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. And for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to integrate RSS feed to WhatsApp with Pabbly. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of RSS feed. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on create. And here this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and these are the two main building blocks of our workflow. So here trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be RSS feed. So for getting the update of the latest RSS feed, I need to use RSS by Pabbly. So I'm going to select that as my trigger application. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new item in feed will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect RSS by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. And now here I need to give my feed URL. So here what I need to do is I need to give the feed URL of the news channel or my blogs from where I want to get my updates. So for getting the latest updates and for this feed URL, I need to take you to the page of Z News where I can find all the RSS feed data. So here this is RSS page of Z News, and you can get here by typing RSS feed of Z News on your browser. So here I'm going to use this Nation News. So I'm going to copy the RSS feed URL of this Nation News. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that feed URL here in this tab. Now I have this option of filter type. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I have all these options of different GUID and different publish date. So I can select any filter type here that I want to use, but I'm going to use this default recommended filter type here. And here I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have my title of the news that says Kejriwal living in Sheesh Mahal, Congress slaps up over Delhi, Asha Kiran deaths and overcrowding. So here we can see I have received this title from my RSS feed update, and here I have the link of my update. Also here I have these other details like the GUID, I have the description of my news, and also I have all these details like the creator, content, comment and author. So here I have received this detail from my RSS feed update, and if you don't receive this response instantly, then you don't have to worry because this is a polling based response. So here it is showing the 1 hour as the polling time of RSS by Pabbly, and if you want to reduce this polling time, then for that you just need to contact to the support team and you can reduce your polling time. So as this 1 hour is the polling time of RSS by Pabbly, so what is going to happen is that as we are going to receive a new update in RSS feed, then within the 1 hour it is going to keep checking on that new update, and as we are going to find that new update, then within the 1 hour it is going to send that update of RSS feed in Pabbly Connect. So in every hour it is going to check for the new responses, and as we are going to receive the response, it is going to send that response within the 1 hour to Pabbly Connect. So here you will receive your response of RSS feed update within an hour, and here I have received my response. Now what I need to do is I need to share this RSS feed update on WhatsApp with my user who has signed up or subscribed for my RSS feed updates. So for that what I need to do is I need to get the contact detail of all those users that I have added in my Google Sheet. So for that I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Google Sheets here. Now I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and get rows will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I need to click on sign in with Google. And here I need to click on allow to give access to my account. And I have successfully connected Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. Now here first what I need to do is I need to select my spreadsheet that I want to use for getting all the detail of my signed up customers or user. So for that I need to take you to my Google Sheet, and here this is my spreadsheet that I want to use. So here this spreadsheet is named as signed up customers, and here I have all the details of my customers who have signed up for my RSS feed updates, and here we are using sheet 1. So I need to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And now here for selecting my spreadsheet, I need to open this tab, and here I will find all the spreadsheets that I have in my Google Sheet account, and I need to use this signed up customers spreadsheet. So I'm going to select this, and here I only have one sheet in my spreadsheet, so that is already selected. Now what I need to do is I need to give the range of the rows that I want to get. So I need to take you back to my Google Sheet, and here my range is going to start from this column and this row of A2. And from A2, I want to get all the contact details that I'm going to add in my spreadsheet. So here in my range, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the starting range, and I'm just going to add my last column. So by doing this, I can get all the contact details of all the rows that I'm going to add in my Google Sheet. And here A2:D is going to be my range. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to type my range here. So my range here will be A2. I'm going to give a colon, and I'm going to type my last column, that is column D. So here this is going to be my range, and now I have filled all the required details. Now here what I need is, I need my response that I'm going to receive from my Google Sheet in an advanced format. So in advanced format, I'm going to get all the detail of my contacts in an array format. So for that, what I just need to do is, I just need to toggle off this simple response button. And now I need to click on save and send test showcase button. And here we can see I have received this response. And in this response, I have this array. And here this is an advanced format, and in this array I have all the detail of my customers that I had in my Google Sheet. So here I have received all these details from my Google Sheet, and now what I need to do is I need to retrieve the data of my users or customers from this array, and I need to process this array one by one. So for that I need to add one more action step, and here I'm going to use Iterator by Pabbly. So I'm going to select Iterator by Pabbly here. I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab. And process arrays will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on connect. And now after connecting, I need to choose my array. So in my Google Sheet response, I have only one array which is of response result. So I'm going to select that. And now by Iterator by Pabbly, the response includes the first expanded data as set values, which can be mapped in further steps. And at the time of workflow execution, it will process all values one by one. So as I'm going to click on save and send test showcase button, it is going to give me the value of the first data set that I have in my array, and as I'm going to receive that first expanded data, I can use that to map in further step, and when I will execute this workflow in real time, it will process all values one by one. So as my workflow is going to execute in real time, all the values that I have in my Google Sheet is going to run one by one, and I'm going to send WhatsApp messages to all the contacts one by one by using all the contact details from my Google Sheet. Now what I need to do is, I need to click on save and send test showcase button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is my first expanded data set, and here I have the name of my user, that is demo user. I have the email, that is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number of my user. And this is not just a random phone number, it is also the WhatsApp number of my user. Now I have the city, that is Bhopal. So here I have received all these contact detail, and now what I need to do is I need to use all these details like my RSS update and the contact details to send a WhatsApp message with my RSS feed update. So for that I need to add my last action step, and here for sending the message on WhatsApp I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. Now I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab. And send template message will be my action event, so I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting WhatsApp Cloud API, I need to give a token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So how I'm going to get all these details and how I can set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account, for that you just need to open this hyperlink by clicking on this button of learn more. And this will take us to the forum of Pabbly. So in this forum, we have all the instruction of how we can set up our WhatsApp Cloud API account and how we can get all the details that are required to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So here you will find all the step-by-step instruction or the tutorial videos of connecting your WhatsApp Cloud API and for generating permanent token with WhatsApp Cloud API. So here you can follow all these instructions, and I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect, I need the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So for this, let me take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And here this is my account of WhatsApp Cloud API, and in this I have all these details like my temporary access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So here I have the temporary access token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first refresh this token. And now I'm going to copy this access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID, and I'm going to paste that in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do that, and here in Pabbly Connect I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save, and here I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now here first, for sending the message on WhatsApp, I need my template. So if you haven't created any template in WhatsApp Cloud API, for that what you need to do is you need to go back to your WhatsApp Cloud API account, and here for creating a new template or for seeing your template, you need to click on this hyperlink by clicking here. and this will take us to WhatsApp Manager where we can see all our message templates. So here you can create your new message templates, and if you have created a template, you can see all your templates here. So for creating a new template, you just need to click on this create template button, and you need to follow all the instructions that are needed to create a template. And after following the instruction, you need to customize the message that you want to use for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So after customizing the message and for creating the template, you have to take the approval of your template by Meta, and after taking the approval, your template will look like this. So I have created this template of RSS feed, so I'm going to open this. Now here this is my template of RSS feed, and here this is my message that I want to send to my user. So hello username. So here this username is my variable, and this is going to change according to the contact that I'm going to receive from my Google Sheet. We hope you are having a great day. We wanted to share our latest updates with you. And here I'm going to add the article title, article link, and stay tuned for more updates. And thank you for being a valued member of our community. Best regards, Team Pabbly. So here this is going to be my message, and this is going to be my template that I want to use for sending the messages on WhatsApp. And here I have added these variables. So these variables are going to get replaced with the details that I'm going to use from my RSS feed and my Google Sheet. Now what I need to do is I need to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to first select my template. So I need to open this tab, and here in this tab, you will find all the templates that you will have in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And I need to use this RSS feed template. So I'm going to select this, and here my language code and template ID will be default selected. Now here I have all these other tabs like the recipient mobile number, body field 1, body field 2, and body field 3. So first I'm going to give the recipient mobile number, and here I'm going to use the mobile number or the WhatsApp number of my contact that I'm going to receive from my Google Sheet response. So I'm going to use that response, and I'm going to map that detail here in this tab. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of Iterator. And here in this response, I have the phone number or the mobile number of my user. So I'm going to map this. And here I need the mobile number in this particular format. So here I need the mobile number without the plus sign in the country code. So here I've added the mobile number or the WhatsApp number of my user. Now I need to give the user name, article title, and the article link. So these are the field of my variable. So I'm going to map that. So I need to click here. I will first open this response of Iterator. And here this is my username, so I'm going to map this. Now I need to give the article title, so I'm going to click here. I will open this response of RSS by Pabbly. And here this is the title of my news or my update, so I'm going to map this. Similarly, I have to give the article link, so I'm going to click here. I will open this response of RSS by Pabbly. And here this is my article link, so I'm going to map this. And here I have filled all the required details. Now as I mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response from my RSS feed update, and I'm going to receive the new detail of a contact from my Google Sheet, that automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent my RSS feed update automatically to my contact on WhatsApp. So here to check this, let me open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this message. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this message. So here we can see I have received this message that says hello demo user. So this was the name of the user or the contact that I have the details in my Google Sheet. We hope you are having a great day. We wanted to share our latest updates with you. So here I have the title of my news that says Kejriwal living in Sheesh Mahal. Congress slams up over Delhi Asha Kiran deaths and overcrowding. Also here I have my article link, and this message continues with stay tuned for more updates and thank you for being a valued member of our community. Best regards, Team Pabbly. So here this was my message, and now I'm going to show you by opening this link. So here after opening this link, it will automatically take us to the page where we can find and read the full article. So I'm going to close this. So here on WhatsApp we can see that automatically I have shared my RSS feed update on WhatsApp. with the user who has signed up or subscribed for my RSS feed updates. So here, by using all the detail of the contacts that I have in my Google Sheet, I have sent this message to that contact, and I have sent this message with my RSS feed update on WhatsApp. So here I have successfully integrated RSS feed with WhatsApp Cloud API, and here I have connected RSS feed, Google Sheet and WhatsApp Cloud API in such a way that as we are going to receive a new RSS feed update, then automatically by capturing all the detail of the contact or the user from Google Sheet, I can send a message with the RSS feed on WhatsApp. So let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have created this connection between RSS by Pabbly, Google Sheet and WhatsApp Cloud API to automatically integrate RSS feed to WhatsApp. Also here with Iterator by Pabbly, as I'm going to execute my workflow in real time, then automatically it is going to send the message on WhatsApp with RSS feed update one by one to all the contacts that I have the detail in Google Sheets. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was RSS by Pabbly, and my trigger event was new item in feed. Then I have set up my action steps, and first I have used Google Sheets to get rows and to get all the detail of the contacts that I have in my Google Sheet. And after this I have used Iterator by Pabbly to process the arrays or to process the detail of the contacts from my Google Sheet. And in the last I have used WhatsApp Cloud API for sending the template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.